The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is imagined as a refined blend of luxury, innovation, and long-distance capability, designed for travelers who want the comfort of a premium residence combined with the engineering excellence of Mercedes-Benz's Benz. Built on advanced commercial platforms such as the Sprinter or heavier-duty chassis options, this motorhome reflects the brand's reputation for reliability, safety, and sophisticated design while adapting it to the evolving expectations of modern RV buyers. It is aimed at those who see travel not just as transportation, but as an experience that should feel effortless, elegant, and deeply comfortable. From the outside, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome presents a sleek and contemporary appearance that moves away from the traditionally boxy RV aesthetic. Smooth body lines, improved aerodynamics, and signature LED lighting give it a distinctly automotive presence, helping it stand out on highways and campsites alike. Lightweight yet durable materials contribute to improved efficiency and stability, while practical elements such as large storage compartments, integrated awnings, and optional solar panels enhance everyday usability. Depending on configuration, available all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension systems allow confident driving across varying road conditions, from long motorway stretches to uneven rural routes. Under the hood, the motorhome is expected to offer efficient diesel powertrains known for strong torque and long-range cruising, with increasing emphasis on electrification. Hybrid or future electric-assisted variants highlight Mercedes-Benz's push toward sustainability, offering quieter operation, lower emissions, and improved energy management for onboard system. Smooth automatic transmissions and refined steering make the driving experience feel more like a luxury van or SUV than a large recreational vehicle, reducing fatigue during long journeys. Inside, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome focuses heavily on comfort and intelligent space utilization. The cabin is designed with premium materials such as leather upholstery, soft-touch surfaces, and refined wood or brushed metal accents. Large panoramic windows and skylights fill the interior with natural light, creating an open and welcoming atmosphere. Layouts are carefully planned to balance living, dining, and sleeping areas, often featuring modular furniture that can adapt to different needs throughout the day. Slide-out sections in selected models further expand interior space when parked, making extended stays more comfortable. Technology plays a central role in shaping the experience. A digital cockpit with large displays integrates navigation, vehicle data, and entertainment through Mercedes-Benz's MBUX system, customized for motorhome use. Voice control allows drivers and passengers to manage lighting, climate, and media with ease, while smartphone connectivity ensures constant access to apps and communication. Advanced navigation systems are optimized for large vehicles, helping drivers avoid low bridges, narrow roads, and restricted areas. Onboard monitoring systems provide real-time information about battery levels, water tanks, energy usage, and climate conditions, making off-grid travel more manageable. The kitchen and bathroom areas are designed to feel closer to a modern apartment than a traditional RV. The kitchen typically includes high-quality appliances such as induction cooktops, convection ovens, and spacious refrigerators, paired with durable countertops and smart storage solutions. Bathrooms emphasize comfort and efficiency with well-designed showers, premium fixtures, and water-saving systems that support longer trips without frequent stops. Climate control, insulation, and soundproofing ensure a comfortable environment in both hot and cold conditions. Safety remains a core strength of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. A full suite of driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, supports confident driving. Multiple cameras and parking aids make maneuvering a large vehicle far less intimidating, even in tight spaces. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome represents a vision of modern luxury travel, combining premium comfort, advanced technology, and dependable performance. It is designed for travelers who value refinement as much as freedom, offering a mobile lifestyle that feels sophisticated, secure, and effortlessly capable over long distances.